Sabahda mında biz şetil dostumuzla sabah olub bildik. Məqsədə özümüzdən şoşu bistəni.
Salam cəmaət. Salam cəmaət. Vlogni boshlab jiberaman. Men hozir Qozonda avılga yo'l tutam. Ham bilasizmi, men kim bilan qaytam? Charli bilan. Гади ingliz егете Londondan. Ham biz Aның bilan muncha akrashakmiz. Shong'ida shu ochaqmiz. Xo'p, qarsa bosib ko'ramiz. Do'stlar, biz mana taksida boramiz. Salam Charli.
Salam.
Salam.
Salam. Hello.
All right. So this is Charles, everybody. From the capital of Great Britain, London. How are you feeling? Are you like
good? Yeah, I'm excited. See more of Tatarstan.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the district centre first.
Yeah, do some skiing.
Yeah, try and go skiing. My friend Nias is gonna meet us there. This is the first time you go to like a Tatар village, right?
Yeah. Yeah, first time.
So last year you studied in Kazan. You learned Russian.
Yeah, I learned a bit in Edinburgh.
Right, Edinburgh.
And then I came here for a whole year in Kazan.
Yeah, cool. Why would you like to see a Tatar village?
Why?
Yeah. Why are you so excited about it?
I mean, sounds cool.
Yeah.
A new culture, something different. See how it differs from a Russian village. I've also seen Ukrainian villages. I've heard Tatarstan's got like the highest quality of life.
Oh yeah.
So, interesting.
Sabam minin güzel yağım, etiyetlerday balaşağım, sin ağına tarla
Oh, what's that?
What was I going to Settlement. No go.
Niyazdan biraz İngilizce seçken şu an. Koyda biz nişi biz kay.
Biz sabahda. Anda lışıtlarından ötті.
Nasıl ötті?
Lışıtlarından.
Şangı yarışı. Hey Charles, how you feeling?
Great.
Going skiing.
Big damle. Big damle. Ben bunda sabahda özüm iностранец.
Nega?
Mıyık var benim.
Bayağı kaya mıyık mı var ya?
Yani.
Mustache would be mıyık.
Mustache. Yes. Şu an şu an biz sen bu ayında. O просто барып gidiyoruz hazır. Motorluqның avılına.
Biz bugün ingliz Karolin ketamiz.
Podşasın.
İngliz podşası. Anasımız Angliya boshqa shahar.
Yo'q, bizga aytdi, boshqa yashadan dedi Angliyada.
Kira bor o'zi.
Foto.
Nang nishta qo'shib turib etam, shuni kontrol
Where are we going?
Into the wild.
How do you like?
Like normal. I'm having my tea at 5 o'clock. But this time, yeah.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Having it in Tatarstan with some chang, which is a change. It's interesting.
Would you bring this to England and let people try and...
I have done that before.
You have, right?
Mixed impressions.
Okay.
Some people really like it, yeah.
What's your personal opinion on that?
I like chang a lot. I like it more than the people I give it to, though.
Okay. Charles, Tatar sarıklarına pişen aşağıda. So you've been to a farm before, right?
I've been on a farm before.
You've worked there?
I suppose you can say that, yeah. Ukraine and England, all children have been on farms.
Tatar tavukları bilen. Okay, let's go start Muncha. Would you like to try and put some wood in there?
I'll give it a go.
Charlie, Muncha yaptırıyoruz. Uh-oh.
It's gone out.
Just put it in there.
Do you use those things?
There we go. No, we don't have them, unfortunately. That would be really good. I usually do that, see?
Bellows, they're called.
I would say urdurgish in Tatar, I guess.
Urdurgish.
Yeah. Demek biz yavaş yavaş maşana tizden bize kırışacakız.
When it's warm, yeah.
Yeah. Should wait a bit though. So usually this one actually, this metal one takes like an hour to heat.
I really want my own banya. Maybe in Scotland one day.
A Scottish
I
muncher.
live in Scotland though, yeah.
Okay. You're doing well. Becoming more Tatar. I'm gonna eat more ishbishmak and then tokmash.
Tokmash.
How did you like the food?
Tokmash. Yeah, I love the food. Good Tatar food. Tried also the gelatine things.
Haladiyets.
Haladiyets. That a bit weird. Some vegetarianцы.
Are you a veg? Right.
Vegan даже. Что-то новое. Flexigan.
Flexigan.
A flexigan.
Oh right. So when
It's
you're Tatar, you eat
Yeah.
meat, and then when you're English,
It's like when I'm at home buying things for myself.
Yeah.
Really good. But when I'm in the lovely, luxurious, culinary region of Tatarstan, then you know
you're a Flexigan.
things have got to change.
Oh yeah. You know what I thought? We don't really appreciate where like we live, the conditions that we live in, and like.
Oh yeah, I was talking about that with your dad. He was like, it's way better to live in the village than the city. Do you think so?
I can't agree with that because you know
You're young.
you don't know anything about life.
No, I didn't mean like that. You know.
No, I mean
Outdoors.
yeah, in terms of like a place to live, and it's a great place. The atmosphere, I like the atmosphere. Like I was born here, and I'm a village boy, but in terms of we know all the stuff.
I'm a village boy.
I'm a village boy. It's a new song upcoming next year when Charlie comes back here.
Well, I'm a village boy.
Yeah, we're gonna work on that the whole year. So we started building the beat today. Continue,
Oh, yeah.
and we need to finish that.
I can't imagine how that beat is gonna. I'm the village boy.
Oh. Work on the farm every day. I feed the sheep. Sheep? Sheep. Charles bizga süt olib qaytdi. How was it? Did you meet the man who gave you the milk?
Bugungi yoshlarga diskoteka kerak. Hozir kitoblar, o'qiylar sirab. Klublarga jiyilib, birga biralar. Biyib yangi muzika, anda tinilar. Jiyilib diskotekada birga do'stlar. Uni bugungi zamonli jirlar. Qish kunida o'ng'ayli kim jilanda. Yirakdan ko'rana o'tlari ko'rda.
Yaxshi jibardi voy. Charlesdan intervyu olar bizning Tatar opalari. Oh, this is beautiful. I love going here. Manzara. Biz yerda fikeringni so'qalam degan ayda. O'xshab boshlaymiz. Minut o'tamiz.
Looking for fun and feeling hungry. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Feeling hungry.
Skamini tunda.
I got no reason, no promises to keep.